we got winter time. It's not really perfect weather to ride a motorcycle with those low temperatures. But this year I decided I'm gonna do something a little bit different. Let me show you. Decided to buy one of the cheapest muscle cars. Pontiac G8 GT, of course V8 6.0, and I would say it's one of the cheapest muscle cars that you can get in States. For that kind of money, I would say it's a lot of car. Stock version, it's about 360 horses, and this one got full exhaust with headers, DOD delete, so it runs on 8 cylinders all the time. So I would say this one should be around 400 horses. You raise the traction really easily. Let me go inside because it's pretty cold. Holy smokes. It's 39 degrees outside. I think it's a pretty cool addition to the channel. I always wanted a muscle car. This one for sure, it's a muscle car, but it's a sleeper. This is how the interior looks like. You get black with red accents, leather seats. It's pretty cool. You got mirror switches, window switches right in the center console. Does the handbrake. So the car originally was made in Australia by Holden, and then it was imported over here and put under badges of Pontiac, which doesn't exist anymore. And I think Holden, I'm not sure about Holden if it exists, or they close the doors too. Pretty decent car, something different for sure. Please let me know in the comments below if you want to see some more videos with this car. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to help out with my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.